Now we will see rules for the formation of image by the spherical mirrors. So how the image is formed in the spherical mirrors when it incidents on the sum of the terms. So the first we will differentiate, we will compare basically. Okay, so the first is concave mirror. So what it says, so तुम्ही diagram पाहू शकता. This is what is the incident ray. So when this incident ray hits the reflecting surface here straight parallel to the principal axis, this will reflect back and it will pass through what? Focus. So jenna ray of light parallel asta to the principal axis, it will reflect back and it will pass through the principal focus. Okay, so it says ray of light parallel to principal axis should pass through the focus after reflection. So reflection जाऊन तो focus आतल्यानच pass जावपाक जाय. Okay, similar way in convex, we know that convex image is always virtual, right? So here, so ray of light parallel to the principal axis should appear to diverge from the focus after reflection. हांगा कितें जाता, हांगा ray of light converge जाता, whereas here ray of light diverge जाता. So this is a incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis and from here it diverges. So when you draw the virtual ray for this divergent line, it will again pass through the focus. Okay, so हांगा कितें जाता, in concave mirror after reflecting it will pass to the focus, whereas here when it diverge and when you draw this virtual ray it will again pass through the focus. So it says ray of light parallel to the principal axis should appear to diverge from the focus after reflection. So it appears to diverge from the focus point. So from the focus it is diverged. Next point is ray of light passing through the focus should be parallel to the principal axis after reflection. So jenna ray of light focus atlan pass jata, ray of light, the incident ray is passing through the focus and from this point it is reflecting back. So the reflected ji ray asa it becomes parallel to the principal axis in concave mirror. So ray of light passing through the focus should be parallel to the principal axis after reflection. And here in convex mirror, ray of light directed towards the focus should be parallel to the principal axis after reflection. Basically ray of light should be parallel to the principal axis. So the next point, ray of light passing through the center of curvature should reflect back along the same line. So आता समज तुझी incident ray अशी center of curvature pass जाऊन हांगा reflect जाता. So that reflected ray will also be in the same direction and it will pass through the center of curvature. That's why arrow अशी उल्टा mark केला. So this is a reflected ray basically it's shown. So it says ray of light passing through the center of curvature should reflect back along the same direction. So that's why it is shown here. See, तो किती आता reflect back down in same direction वयता. Here ray of light directed towards the center of curvature, the ray of light directed towards the center of curvature should reflect back along the same direction. So same thing. So हांगा तुझी incident ray असतली and it will diverge. So जेन्ना ती draw करता पळय it will again be in the, it will pass through the center of curvature. Okay, so third point, ray of light passing through the center of curvature should reflect back along the same direction. So as you can see, the ray of light when it passes through the center of curvature, it will reflect back along the same direction and it will pass through the center of curvature. Understood? So now in this case, ray of light directed towards the center of curvature should reflect back along the same direction. So again it will reflect back along the same direction here. Okay, fourth point, ray of light directed obliquely at the pole should reflect obliquely, making equal angles with the principal axis. So this is very simple. Here, when the incident ray is directly incident at the pole and it will reflect back from the pole, it is shown over here. See, it is reflected back from the pole. So this angle of incidence and the angle of reflection will be the same angle. Okay, similar way in this convex mirror, that is, if this is the incident ray, when it incidents exactly at the point of incidence, that is pole, it will reflect back. Okay, and the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection will be, okay, and this, the middle line will become the normal to it. Okay, clear? So these are the certain rules of formation of image by the spherical mirrors. Now we will see next that the image formed by the concave mirror. Image कसं forms जाता in concave mirror. So image formed by the concave mirror. So we will see one by one how the image will be formed in this case. The first one, when you keep the position of an object, म्हटल्यार कितें, एक तो ऑब्जेक्ट असता, तुका तो रिफ्लेक्ट जावन पळोवपाक जाय न्ही. सो जेन्ना तू ऑब्जेक्ट इन्फिनिटी दवरता, okay, so as it is shown over here, position of an object at infinity. So infinity means somewhere here outside. Okay, so from there what will happen, the incident rays will hit the surface and it will reflect back, and it will, both these reflecting rays will meet at one particular point, and where the image will be formed. The image will be formed at the focus, exactly at the focus your image will be formed when the object is at infinity. So आता कळ्ळें तुका, फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट पयस दवरला, ऑब्जेक्ट इज व्हेरी फार, आनी जेन्ना तो रिफ्लेक्ट जाता एंड दोज रिफ्लेक्टिंग रेज जेन्ना मीट एट वन पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट, वेर इट मीट्स, it will meet exactly at the F. It will meet exactly at the F. So your image will form exactly at the focus. Your image will form exactly at the focus. And then what will be the property of image? Image तुका कशी दिसतली जेन्ना तू ऑब्जेक्ट खूप पयस दवरता? It will be highly diminished. Okay, highly diminished म्हटल्यार कितें, तुका बारीक दिसतली image. Object will be real because it will form on some screen. Object will be real and the object will be inverted. Inverted म्हटल्यार कितें, उलटा दिसतलो. हांगा तुका एरो सकल मार्क केल्ले दिसता, करेक्ट? हांगा असो ऑब्जेक्ट, whereas here object is inverted. So when the object is at infinity, your image will form at the focus and the properties will be, it will be highly diminished, real and inverted. So the next is, when you keep your object beyond C. Beyond C म्हटल्यार खंय, C is what? C is nothing but the center of curvature. So center of curvature च्या फाटल्यान समज तू ऑब्जेक्ट दवरता. So this is what is a object, A, B. A is a head, B is a tail. Okay, this is what is a object. So from here एक incident ray अशी वयतली and then it will pass through what? It will pass through focus, correct? या तुका पयलीच्या स्लाइडीन शिकयला. So it will pass to the focus. There will be another incident ray, okay, that will directly pass through the center of curvature. And what happens when object passes directly through the center of curvature? It will reflect back. So from the same point it will reflect back, and where the two reflecting point meets, at that point your image will form. So the image khoi forms ala, image is formed between C and F. What is C? Center of curvature, and F is your focus. So between C and F your image is formed. आता what are the properties? Image कशी दिसता? हांगा येदी व्हडली image आसा, ती हांगा कितें जालो, बारीक जाला. So it is what? It is diminished, correct? Is it real or virtual? It is real because it is formed on some screen and inverted, correct? Inverted म्हळ्यार उलटा आसा. So जेन्ना याद दवरा, जेन्ना ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड C असता, then image is your inverted, image is real and it is highly diminished. ये रे डायग्राम एग्जामीक येता काडपाक, नाजाल्यार if ray diagram येना जाल्यार at least based on this position of object, position of image, properties of image, एक question 100% असता. Third point, when you keep object exactly on C, म्हटल्यार कितें, जेन्ना सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचराचेर जेन्ना तू ऑब्जेक्ट दवरता, सो एक incident ray अशी वयतली, then again it will pass through F, that you should remember always when you have a ray is parallel to the principal axis, it will always pass through the focus. And the another one, so from here it will pass through the focus, then it will reflect back and it will come in this way. So where the point where the reflecting rays meet, there you will have your image. आता ही image पहिल्यार कशी आसा, it is of same size, like AB and BA is the same size, correct, but only thing it is real and inverted. Inverted is why? Because see, B is on top, head is down, तकली सकल पाय वयर अशें जाला. ओके, हांगा कशें आसलें, हांगा तकली वयर पाय सकल आसलें, हांगा पाय वयर जाला तकली सकयल जाला. Clear? Why it is real? Because it is formed on some kind of a screen. Next point. And the fourth one is if object is between C and F, that is center of curvature and the focus. जेन्ना object focus आणि center of curvature अशें मदीं दवरतना कितें जाता तें पळोवया. A is a head, B is a tail. So from here, as usual, incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis. So obviously it will pass through the focus and draw the reflecting ray. Then from again this point, again it will pass through F from here and again it will come back. So here your image is enlarged, correct? Your image is enlarged. It is real but inverted, correct? Inverted. So image ulta asa. A actually this is A, circle A. Okay, image ulta asa, image worldly dista, and it is a real image, correct? So based on this, a question 100% astalet exam. So just be thorough with this. Okay, let's move to the more two properties of concave mirror, and then we'll see about the convex mirror. So image formed by concave and convex mirror. So yazun sopung na. So हांगा कितें पयलें आमी, first object is at infinity, object is at beyond C, object is on C, and object is between C and F. आता कितें उरला, आता ऑब्जेक्टाक आमी F-चेर हाडून दवरया. F एक उरला तो एक F-चेर दवरून पळोवपाक जाय आनी मागीर नेक्स्ट F-च्या फुडें हाडून पळोवया. So image formed by concave mirror, position of an object is F. So तू कितें कर, object जेन्ना F-चेर दवर. So from here, one ray will be parallel to the principal axis and it will pass through the focus again because your ray is parallel. Another ray, see this is very important. Another ray, it will strike the point here and it will reflect back to the center of it. This is same as, see, the third point in spherical mirror, this point. Ray of light passing through the center of curvature should reflect back along the same direction. So again it will reflect back in the same direction. Position of image is what? Position of image is infinity. Okay, and what are the property? It is highly enlarged. So image, you will see very magnified image. It will be a real image and inverted. So, since it is at infinity, you cannot draw the image over here because this reflecting line is not meeting somewhere, right? But the image, whatever image is formed, that image will be your highly enlarged. It will be real and inverted. Okay, next. आता झालं F-R दवरून झालं, त्या आणि भितर हाडया आता F-च्या आणि भितर. सो क्लियरली पहिला तुम्ही जेन्ना ऑब्जेक्ट भितर 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 हाडीत रावता तेन्ना इमेज तुजी हायली एनलार्ज जायत रावता, राइट? पळय, इन फर्स्ट केस इन्फिनिटी, सो तुका बारीक इमेज, मातशे भितर हाडले बारीक इमेज, बट आनी सीयाचेर हाडून दवरले सायज रिमेन्स द सेम. ओके, बट जसो तू सीयाचे भितर व्हरता ऑब्जेक्ट इमेज व्हडली जाली. नेक्स्ट केस हांगा परत आनी भितर हाडलो ऑब्जेक्ट, इमेज इज हायली एनलार्ज. इन दिस केस we'll see what happens. Again, the position of an object is between F and P. So F आणि P च्या मध्ये object हाडून दवरलो. So from here, since it is a parallel, it has to pass through focus. So फोकसांतल्यानूच पास जावपाक जाय. So एक रे तुजी फोकसांतल्यान पास जाली. अनेक रे कितें जालें पळय, incident जालो हांगा, correct? It is reflected back through the center of curvature. But here हांगा ऑब्जेक्ट पळयला, हांगा रे मीट जायत ना, हांगा रे मीट जायत ना. So when ray doesn't meet, your image is not formed. right? So what you have to do, you have to draw the virtual rays. So this virtual rays, when you draw, you will get the image, and this is a little different. So property, so you will have enlarged image, you will have a virtual and the erect image, correct? No, so edge size पे आणि edge size पे your object is erect. Okay, so enlarged झाली, virtual झाली and erect झाली. Next we will see about the convex mirror. Image formed by convex mirror. Again, your object is at infinity. See, object again at infinity. हांगा तुका काय marking करूना, because by now you should be familiar with the position of C, F and everything. So object is at infinity, and the object is always, you have to start from the left side. Okay, object right side in दवरून काय फायदा ना. असो जेन्ना मिरर आसा जाल्यार ऑब्जेक्ट हे साइडीन दवरपाक मेळटा तरी ना. So object to the left side नी दवरतलो. These are what your parallel incident rays, and as you know it will diverge, and so when you draw the virtual line, image will be at F. Position of an object is at infinity, position of an image at F behind the mirror. Behind the mirror, okay, mirror ची this is what is a reflecting side, but तुका image मेळटा भितर, correct? So if it समज object image भितर मेळटा, meaning what? It is a virtual image, correct? It is highly diminished लक्षात असू द्या, highly diminished, virtual and object will be erect, straight असतलो. Next point, when you have object between infinity and pole, so infinity and pole, so खंय दवरूंक शकता तू मदी, between infinity and pole म्हटला. So कितें जातलें, from here is what is the object. So when it incidents over here, see, when you draw the virtual line, it will pass through center of curvature. So when the incident ray passes through the center of curvature, it has to reflect back. म्हणून this is a red sign, see, red arrow, it has reflected back. And एक point असा A, when it is parallel to the principal axis, it will diverge because it is a convex mirror. But if you draw the virtual rays, it will pass through focus. So these 2 points you should be very clear with it. First point म्हटल्यार जेन्ना incident ray is parallel to principal axis, त्याचे reflecting ray has to pass through focus. याद असुनी. आणि एक point, when incident ray passes to the center of curvature, reflecting ray should also pass in the same direction. Okay, there can be separate reflecting lines of mana, correct? So image will be formed where? Behind the mirror your image will be formed. It will be diminished. See, it is diminished. See this size and see this size. It is diminished. Yes, it is virtual and it is erect. Clear with this? Yeah, AJ. एक तरी question 100% असतला exam. So you should be very clear with certain points, that is about the focus, parallel lines, center of curvature. So automatically magi ray diagrams kadpak jata. So if you have understood this, now the next we will see that the distinguish between your plane, concave and convex mirror. Just this to understand, this is like a आतापर्यंत तुम्ही किती शिकला पय त्याच्या मागचे रिव्हिजन टाइप. So we'll see the distinguishing between plane, concave and convex mirror. What is it? How it distinguish? So distinguish between a plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. The given mirror is held near the face and the image is seen. असे तुम्ही imagine करपाक जाय की हे differentiate करपाक तुम्ही त्या हारशा मुखार रावल्या आणि तुमका image दिसता. So there can be following 3 cases. If the image is upright of same size and it does not change in size by moving the mirror towards or away, the face is what? A plane mirror. This is like you are standing in front of the mirror. So mirror मुखार जेन्ना तुम्ही उभी रावता, तुम्ही फुडें फाटी केल्यार तुमचे size change जायना, काय जायना, it remains same. So it is like the plane mirror. Second case, if the image is upright and magnified and increases in size on moving the mirror closer, the mirror is concave. Okay, right? Yeah, as I already explained. as you move from infinity to f and beyond f, your size of the image is increases, correct? Then we know that it is a concave mirror. And similar way for convex mirror, if the image is upright and diminished and decreases in size on moving the mirror away, the mirror is convex. So image is upright, so straight, and it is diminished matlab बारीक असा image, and it decreases in size on moving the mirror away. So जसे तुम्ही mirror poise वरता image size बारीक जायत होता. So that is, we say that it is a convex mirror. Now the most important, this is like to this 3 points you will understand only if you are clear with whatever I taught you earlier. So next we will see the sign convention of spherical mirror.